Hey guys, Chris here with the Keyless Shop. So today I'm going to show you how to use your key fob on your Tesla Model X. So these Tesla Model X come with the Falcon doors, which are probably some of the most advanced doors out of any car really on the market. And the way you use your key fob is you can actually press the side button right here, which is the window. And if you just press that twice, the Falcon door opens. Press the other one twice, the other door opens, the other Falcon door opens. Press the top of the fob twice and your driver door will open. Press it again and they all close. So if you press it 3 times, everything closes. Now, the nice thing about these Teslas is that they have the smart feature, which is really smart because not only does the car unlock when you walk up to it, but actually the door opens. So if you just walk up to the car, not going to press the button on the remote, walk up to it, well, doesn't always work. Maybe because I just locked it. Maybe you have to leave the proximity and then come back in. So let's try that. Lock it. Door opened. Let me go ahead and lock it. You press the top of the fob 3 times. Everything closes. Right? Let's walk up to the car. Let's see if it opens. Okay. It unlocked. Now, if it doesn't open, sometimes it doesn't work, then you just push the button right there and the door opens automatically for you. Now, when you get in the car, just put your foot on the brake and the door closes. So, to close it, again, just press the top of the fob 3 times. Door closes. Open up the driver's door, press the top of the fob twice. Okay, press the side door twice. The other Falcon door, press the trunk twice. It'll pop the trunk open. And same with the front. You can just press it twice, pops the trunk open. This one does not power, so you just have to lift it up. What else? Oh, the charging port. To open the charging port with the fob, you just hold down the trunk for like 2-3 seconds. That opens so you can charge it. Now to close everything, press it 3 times. Except for the front. The front you have to close manually because it's not power on the front. And that's how you use your key fob on your Tesla Model X.